Hello everyone, welcome back to math mode. Really good exponential equation. Today we have x to the power 5 equal to 5. And how can we find our x from here? So I will show you a really good trick how can we do this, because there is no like a general method how can we do this, because we have exponential equation, we have a power 5 right here, we have a constant. So this is not like an easy equation, but I want to show you a really good trick how can we do this. So take a look. Let's raise both sides to the power 5. So we will have x to the power 5. We raise this left hand side to the power 5, and right here right hand side to the power 5. So we raise both sides to the power 5. And right now take a look on the left hand side. What we have right here, we have a really huge, a really long power right here, because we have x to the power 5, we raise once more to the power 5. I want to show you a rule of interchange. So if we have x to the power a raised to the power b, it will be equal to x to the power b raised to the power a. What we'll see right here, that our a and b changes, so they are interchange. As you can see right here, we have x to the power 5 in our brackets, and these 5 we have outside the brackets. So we can easily swap this. So what we'll have, we will have x to the power 5 inside, and of course x to the power 5, we swap this from here, so this goes outside and this go inside, and equal to 5 to the power 5. So as you can see, we do this. And right now on the left hand side, what we'll have, x to the power 5 to the power x to the power 5, we have two same elements. This one and this one is the same elements. So this looks like a to the power a, two same elements, and equal to 5 to the power 5. So as you can see, same base, same exponent, and right here same base and same exponent. So one and only case that this equation works is when a equal to 5 and this a equal to 5, but this is the same, so we will have that a equal to 5. Moreover, a equal to x to the 5th power, so we will have x to the 5th power equal to 5, and x equal to 5th root of 5 and this is our answer to this problem. So I hope you understand this step. Rule of interchange, they swapped these powers, and one and only case that this equation works is when base equal to base, exponent equal to exponent, but this is the same, so we'll have only one case, x to the 1st power equal to 5, and right here we have our root. Let's check this root. 5th root of 5, let's check it. So we will have 5th root of 5 raised to the power 5th root of 5, and of course raised to the 5th power. So we just check our rule, and equal to 5. So what we'll have right here, for example, we raise 5th root to the 5th power. So if we raise this, we will have only 5, because this looks like right here we will have 5 to the power 1/5 raised to the power 5 equal to 5. So what we're going to do next, right here 5, and the same step, this raised to the power 5, we will have 5. So if you still have any question, write a question in comment, write a suggestion in comment. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.